Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got one that I found at an H-Mart store in, next to the Alderwood Mall in Linwood, Washington. This is a new Nongshim variety. This is a, God, what do you call it? It's a seaweed sesame Ramyun. So 4 minutes, 500 milliliters of water. And it's very odd. They have, all these places have interesting ways of cooking their stuff. You gotta put this in first. You gotta put that in first. This one kind of makes a little more sense. It's got seaweed, and you don't want to like cook that one all the way down to nothingness, I guess, but. And yes, you will be able to watch the fun as it boils momentarily. So let me get this in here. Alright. And look at that. There you go. There, now you can see. Look, you've got a full view of what it looks like when noodles are boiling in a pot. I know that's what you were looking for, and that's what I'm delivering. So today is Saturday, I believe it's the 17th of February 2024. And yeah, that's what it is. That's what's going on. Not a super exciting day, but not a horrible one. The world wars continue to rage on. The one in Gaza, the one in Ukraine, the one in, I don't know. The war on acne and crime and drugs and everything else. So, all sorts of wars to choose from and all sorts of sides to be on. So, there you go. But this will be, I think, my 4,912th review, which makes me, 88? Away from the big 5,000. That's crazy. At least when this publishes on theramenraider.com, which will happen at a later date than the day that this comes out. I'm gonna get a beverage. Now I have a caffeinated beverage to enjoy as I see fit. But yeah, I woke up, felt horrible. We've been having like medium high pollen lately, so allergies have been beseeching us all with the horribleness. And so I went. Third Sunday of each month, I clean the bathrooms. And tomorrow, Sunday, I'm going to, with my buddy Matt B., the esteemed author, we're going down to Seattle. We're going to get some Indian food, and then we're going to go catch the 40th anniversary screening of Dune. Not the new one. The new one sucked, I think. He likes it, but I don't know. I like the old. The David Lynch is where it's at. I've watched that movie so many times. It's going to be hard not to recite it in the theater, and I don't want to be that guy. But I'll raise my weirding module and yell Muad'Dib. I mean, why not? If you haven't seen the original Dune from 1984, you are really missing out. I'm telling you what. Alright. Now we're back. And here we go. It looks dark. Rather dark. See? And then we've got sesame, or seaweed. Is it seaweed and sesame? I'll bet you that's the deal. Maybe? Let's give this a stir. I really don't have a lot today to add in. I've got eggs, but I think, yeah. Let's try it with a little bit of this garnish. That looks like a sesame seed in there. Here we go. I can't take this. There. I'm going to try it without the seaweed. Because honestly, I don't like seaweed. I know. How could I? My God, that's hot. There's the broth. I made a mess. Okay. Clean up that. Thank you, paper product, for cleaning up messes that I make inadvertently. Absolutely. Okay. I got some spring onion. Kids are waiting for me to get done doing this stuff this morning. I'm gonna build some Legos with them. That'll be fun. Yeah, I think I'm gonna forego the I'll go like that, and I'm just gonna add some more sesame seed because I think that's really kind of. Without the seaweed, I like it. With the seaweed, I don't. And since it comes with seaweed and that's part of the deal, I don't like it. Sorry. If I were to cook this for myself, I would definitely omit the seaweed element. So yeah. There you go. Something new from Nongshim. All right, well, thank you for watching that episode. The next one you're going to see is this. This is Indomie Rasa Kakalang. This was sent by Ferengi all the way from Australia, and this is from Indonesia. Thank you so much. And yeah, that'll be on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. From the Hans the Ramen Reader, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and goodbye.